Chica bellas, welcome in the easiest makeup tutorial I ever did. Upturned deep set eyes using Urban Decay's eyeliner, silver eyeliner all over her eyelid because I listened to you. Therefore this is a monochromatic makeup tutorial. One thing about this eyeliner is that I hate it because it just doesn't blend, and when we finished this we went over with a silver eyeshadow so that we corrected all the mess I did with my finger. Going over on the lower part, just the start, to give her stars in the eyes so that she will shine with a silver Urban Decay's electric eyeshadow. Here it is, you see how the eyes pop. The main idea of this makeup tutorial is that you don't need to overcomplicate, overthink stuff. Makeup's quite easy in its core idea. This is how we did it. Everyone suits silver. That's why people wear silver jewelry. That's why people wear gold. Hope you enjoyed the makeup tutorial. And once again, try it. Doesn't matter if you have prominent, if you have upturned, hooded, whatever eyes. Go check it on our website, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Ciao, ciao, ciao.